Hello, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and happy. Today I am going to explain you about different types of houses. So let's open your EVS book, lesson number 4. The name of the lesson is House We Live In. It is on page number 23. Before we're going to start this chapter, let me tell you one thing that in this chapter we will see different types of houses. Children, you might have noticed that some people live in different types of houses. Suppose they live in small houses. Some people live in small houses, especially in village areas. They live in different types of houses. And in other way you see, in some people they live in big houses, especially in cities or in big towns. They live in bungalows or flats like that. Okay, so in this chapter we will see different types of houses where people live. So let's start reading this lesson. The place where we live is called house. जहाँ हम रहते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हाउस. एन एयरी क्लीन हाउस इज एवरीवन्स नीड. सभी चाहते हैं कि उनका घर एयरी हो, अच्छे प्रॉपर विंडोज़ हो, प्रॉपर डोर्स हो, नीट एंड क्लीन हो. एवरीबडी वी वॉन्ट्स. ओके, आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट, यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट, एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स. अ हाउस कीप्स अस सेफ. सेफ मीन्स सुरक्षित. हमें हाउस जो है सुरक्षित रखता है. किससे बचा के रखता है? थीव से. हाउस, वी नीड हाउस फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ सन. अ हाउस प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम heat, rain, wind, storm. From where we get this heat? From sun. We need house to protect things from thieves. See, here it is written, a house keeps us safe. What does it mean? It means that we need house to protect our things from thieves. हमारी चीज़ों को किससे बचा के रखता है? Thieves से. Thieves means चोरों से बचा के रखता है. And ourselves. It also keeps us safe. Keep ourselves safe from other animals. जानवरों से भी बचा के रखता है. Okay, so students, we need house so that we can feel safe. We need house so that we can have fun with our families also. Now next, you see different type here houses. You see it protects from heat, then rain, then storms. जब आंधी तूफान आ जाता है तो भी हमें घर बचा के रखता है. Okay, now here you see, do we all live in same kind of houses? क्या आपको लगता है कि हम सभी एक जैसे घरों में रहते हैं? No, my dear children, we all live in different types of houses. Houses are made from materials we get in plenty around us. हमारे आसपास की चीज़ों से ही हाउस बनता है. बहुत सारी हमें हाउस के मटेरियल्स हमारे आसपास ही मिल जाता है. Different places have different types of houses. सभी जगह पे, अलग अलग जगह पे, different places पे अलग अलग टाइप के हाउसेस बनते हैं. The type of house depend on weather और कंडीशन ऑफ प्लेस. वेदर पे भी डिपेंड करता है घर बनाना. ओके, जहाँ ज़्यादा बारिश होती है वहाँ अलग घर बनते हैं. इफ़ देयर इज़ कोल्ड प्लेस देन देयर इज़ डिफरेंट, दैट विल बी डिफरेंट हाउस. कंडीशन, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंडीशन एंड वेदर. मौसम पे भी डिपेंड करता है. इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द मटेरियल्स दैट आर अवेलेबल locally in that place. Means overall you see that it depends on the material. Have you seen houses in village? क्या आपने कभी विलेज के घर देखे हैं? What are they made up of? आपको क्या लगता है वो किससे बने होते हैं? Let's see. First of all, we know that. Let's see what are the types of houses. There are two types of houses. First one is kacha house. Second one is pakka house. Kacha house, pakka house. Okay. Now, first one is kacha house. A kacha house is made with mud, bamboo, straw, wood, leaves, etc. Mud means कीचड़. Bamboo, straw. See, bamboos, and straws, leaves they have used to make this kacha house. Most people in villages live in these houses. विलेज एरिया के लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? मोस्टली दे यूज टू लिव इन दिस हाउस, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ हाउस इज कॉल्ड huts. HUTS, huts. These houses are not expensive. ये ज़्यादा महंगे नहीं होते हैं. They are not so costly to build. इनको बनाने में ज़्यादा खर्च नहीं लगता, ज़्यादा कॉस्टली नहीं होते. But they are not strong. But ये strong नहीं होते हैं. That's why they are called as kacha. That's why they are called as kacha, because they flow away in floods or break down in earthquakes. अगर कोई तूफान आ गया, फ्लड्स आ गया या अर्थक्वेक आ गया तो ये जल्दी गिर जाते हैं. दैट्स वाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज टेम्प्ररी हाउस. ओके, इसलिए इसे कौन सा हाउस बोलते हैं? टेम्प्ररी हाउस बोलते हैं, क्योंकि ये मजबूत नहीं होता. दे आर नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग. In the other section, you see pakka house. Pakka house is made up of bricks. Bricks यानी ईंट, wood, glass, cement, iron. They are made up of these materials. These houses are expensive. These are very costly, children. Pakka houses are permanent and strong buildings. They are permanent one. They are very strong in flood or in earthquake. Mostly they never fall. Okay. See what are the materials they use in pakka house? Bricks, glass, cement, iron rods, woods. Okay. Now down you see people live in big cities. I told you now that in big cities or in towns, they built permanent houses. They can be bungalows or flats. These are the flats. In big cities, we find very tall story buildings called skyscrapers. Skyscrapers. Why they are called as skyscrapers? Because they seems to touch like ऐसा लगता है ये skies touch कर रहे हैं. That's why they are called as skyscraper. Clear, children? So children, today we have learned that how house protect us from heat, water, rain and all, wind, storm, thieves, and how we are keeping our things safe in our house from thieves and other animals. And we learned that there are two types of houses. They are, first one is kacha house and second one is pakka house. What materials we are using in kacha house? Mud, bamboo, straw, wood, leaves. And they are the temporary houses. And in pakka houses we use bricks, glass, cement, iron rods, woods. They are very expensive and they are the permanent and strong buildings. Clear, children? So in the next class we will see the another parts of the houses, another types of houses. Okay, you revise this lesson and read it 2 or 3 times again, especially the spellings with correct pronunciation. Okay, goodbye.